So in this video we are going to write a Java program which is based on palindrome numbers in a range. For example, if you start a number, let's say from 10 till 100, so our program's output will show that from 10 to 100 how many palindrome numbers are there. Okay, so if you reverse a number, for example 101, if you reverse that number you will get 101 as well. So that is called palindrome. So let's do a comment first. I'm writing a comment: palindrome numbers in a range. Okay, so I will import java util dot all, that is we can use the scanner class. All right, then the access modifier, that is public class. Our class name will be palindrome in range. Okay, you can also write the this one, the main one. Here it is, main one. So if I write here main, that will be fine as well, no problem, but you can give your own class name as well. So the next process is to create a function. So we are creating a function with public as access modifier, static, that is no new objects will be created, void, no return type, and the name of the function is main, which will have string arguments. And in array, the two third brackets I gave, these are really important in array. We will also cover the topic of array, okay, later on. So please comment down below if you are interested for that. So now we are calling the scanner class from the java util library. Under the scanner class we are creating an object named sc and assigning it to the new keyword with scanner class, that is we are creating a new object. Next is system out print. I'm giving print first, so I'm telling the user to enter the lower let's say lower limit. Okay, it will be much more understandable if I use that. And for that we need a variable to store that lower limit, so I'm taking integer x equal to sc, that is the scanner class object dot next int method. All right, next again we have to type system dot out dot print, and I'm asking the user to enter the upper limit. Okay, semicolon. So semicolon is really important inside the main function, that is void main. Every statement has to end with the semicolon, you know that, the basics. In case of if else statements as well we use semicolon, so that's a different topic. So we have to store that upper limit, so I'm creating a variable integer y is equal to again sc dot next int, and after that we have to take integer reverse equal to 0 to reverse the number, initializing as 0. Integer digit, we need that to extract the digit. Repetitive division inside the while loop, we have to use for loop as well for this. And the next step will be to declare a variable named integer copy. Okay, integer copy. So after that we have to use for loop for integer I is equal to, we are starting from x and I is less than equal to y, then I plus plus, and after that inside the for loop we will again, for each iteration we will take reverse equal to 0, then copy is equal to I. So we can we cannot use I inside the while loop directly, so we are making a copy of I variable, which is storing the range, that is from lower limit till the upper limit. So after that we will have to give while condition is that I should be, that is copy should be greater than 0. Okay, so you have to input a number which is greater than 0, 1 2 3, these kind of numbers. It should not be 0. Okay, so digit is equal to CP modulus 10. So we are first extracting the digits from the remainder. Suppose 1 2 3, 1 2 3, we are first dividing it with 10, so we will get 3, then 2, then 1. Okay, so for that we have to do reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus d. Alright, 10 plus d. Then CP equal to CP slash 10. This is called float division. Okay, so now we are almost done. Then we have to do that if reverse is equal to I, then you have to print system.out.print line I. Okay, so after we come out of this while loop, we can use I normally, not as CP. So let's run the program and see what happens. Okay, so there is a problem there. Oh, I forgot to give scanner sc equal to new scanner. It will take input from the system. Okay, fine, let's see. Sorry for the noise that is coming. So we are starting from 10 and the upper limit will be 100. So we are getting 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88 and 99. So this is how you can do this. So if you have liked this video, and also if you have learned something new from here, then please subscribe the channel Technical Deep on YouTube, and like this video to motivate me, and also comment down below if you have any kind of suggestions. Thanks and have a nice day and take care.